All right, so the next type of puzzle is more open-ended, right? So I've classified all of this as back rank weakness, and it's essentially trying to find tactical combinations. Now, you cannot always say that this is always going to end in a checkmate or end in a puzzle, material gain. But it does involve a lot of different motifs and patterns together, and that's what makes it so much more challenging. So I'll be probably doing a puzzle or two, and you can realize how difficult it gets. So in this particular position, for example, the knight's already controlling both of these squares. The king can't come to. The only person stopping it from becoming a back rank mate right away is the bishop and the rook. So you could always capture this bishop right now, but that's not going to lead you into a checkmate position. So what's the correct answer here? The right answer is rook moving here, because if you do capture it, then you have this particular check, which is a fork, and if the king comes here, you have a checkmate. Maybe not straight away, but I could take this, and if he goes in again, it's a checkmate. So what's the only other option? The only other option now in this particular one of the features of using leeches here is you could go into analysis mode and say, what happens if I capture this? No problem, I capture the queen back, and you have only two things right now. You can either capture my queen or you can capture my... So if you do capture my queen, I'll take a check, and once your king moves in, I will exchange it out, and if you do take it, I'm a piece up and I can win it. All right, does that make sense? Okay, let's go to problem number 2. The move here again involves back rank weakness, where you threaten check. At the same time, you're also threatening to pin this particular. Right, so what happens here? Let's go to analyze. Now, if he takes this, you've got a checkmate. Unstoppable because of the back rank. And if he doesn't take it and he decides to support it, then he will lose it no matter what. And if he decides to just move the queen to a different square, then you could just take it with this and support all of your pieces. So no matter what, you get a winning combination. This is what we call as combinations. All right, so there are 23 more puzzles left in this study set, and I would like you to try and solve it and leave your opinion, your feedback on the puzzles, the quality, whether it was good, bad, try to rate it on a star system, like 1 to 5 stars, right? And I'd like to see your feedback on that. And as I said, we're slowly moving into a more open-ended way of approaching problems. So we were siloed in terms of doing only checkmate, only pins, forks, and now we're looking at more open-ended tactical combinations, which is what chess is all about. And I hope this is helpful for you. And if you'd like to do more such puzzles, please enroll in the Classy Chess Puzzles course. The link of enrollment is beneath this particular video. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.